How does manifestation work? Do you have a wish, such as the one to feel like a child, full of joy in holding a flying kite? Why you have a particular dream or wish is not important, but that the desire is there to enormous, large, it's just in you, this dream, this wish, this goal. And you absolutely want to hold the line. Watch the kite in the air, how it moves, and dream of flying yourself. Then you're exactly right now. When I saw a cord on my balcony this morning, I was simply curious. I went there. I was grabbing the string and I started pulling. Pulling and pulling. And soon I had the end in my hand. And I was a little bit sad, cause there was no kite on it. Okay. But I was also happy to protect the nature and the animals from this nylon yarn. And I can definitely use it for something else. But I was still curious inside. Let's try the other side. You never know. And indeed, something was coming behind the tree. It started moving. And you know, if you stay tuned with the string, like with your goals, they will come to you. Sometimes it takes time, or sometimes you have to pull harder. Don't give up, keep going.